Hello everyone and welcome to another exciting episode of our Offer Spotlight series. Today I have the privilege to be here with Sumati Sehgal, managing the operation of home distribution in India. The offer in focus today is Miluz ZeTa, a new wiring devices range for Indian market. Miluz ZeTa is our latest innovation in wiring devices, designed to elevate your living spaces. This is not just a switch or a socket, it's a statement of elegance with a wide range of functionality and finishing. It allows the homeowner to express their personal style. Some weeks ago, we launched Miluz ZeTa here in India along with Wiser, our digital platform for home energy management. We continue the journey with Miluz ZeTa, which is also fully compatible with Wiser. Before to go in the detail of the offer, Sumati, we worked together on this project. May you tell us more about wiring devices here in India and how Miluz ZeTa will touch the life of our Indian customers?
Thanks, Denis, and a warm greeting to everyone. It's been an insightful journey traveling throughout India, where we have unearthed key trends pivotal in shaping the design of Miluz ZeTa. Ergonomic design has emerged as a focal point, tailored to suit the unique nuances of Indian home environments. It's about crafting solutions that seamlessly integrate with the fabric of Indian households. Delving into the color preferences highlighted by the interior designers, we are embracing palettes that resonate with the diverse tastes and styles prevalent across the country. Our electrician friends play a crucial role, guiding us in understanding installation practices, ensuring that Miluz ZeTa aligns seamlessly with their expertise, making installation a hassle-free experience. Innovation, the cornerstone of Miluz ZeTa, is our response to the pressing challenges faced by consumers, like knowing air quality or even electrical safety for the state-of-the-art products in homes today. It's about crafting solutions that not only meet but exceed their evolving needs. With these insights in mind, we're committed to delivering Miluz ZeTa as a testament to our dedication in embracing Indian trends while setting new benchmarks in design and innovation. Over to you, Denis.
Thanks a lot, Sumati, for summarizing the market perfectly. To deep dive more into this offer, I have Snigdali, the offer manager with me here, who will share with you the amazing detail of our Miluz ZeTa range.
Thank you, Denis, and hello to all our viewers. I'm excited to introduce you to the brand new wiring devices range in the Indian market, Miluz ZeTa. So what is the reason behind this offer being launched? In a rapidly evolving Indian market, the demand for wiring device solutions has evolved too. Customers today seek more than just a basic switch. They demand innovation, safety, efficiency, and advanced functionality. Enter Miluz ZeTa, the answer to these evolving needs, addressing the pain point of homeowners with its 4 powerful, unique value propositions. First, design. Miluz ZeTa features a unique seesaw design coupled with a soft, crisp sound available in 6 curated colors, adding an elegant touch to any interior. Next, safety. With features like single pin insertion, captive screws, and added arc shield, Miluz ZeTa ensures the highest level of safety for homeowners and their families. Efficiency is another key focus. Vertical and horizontal alignment, clear markings on cover frames, and easy mounting with keyholes make installation a breeze, saving time and effort. Next, connectivity. Connectivity in Miluz ZeTa through Wiser allows homeowners to an easy upgrade and comfortable living. Last but not the least, advanced functionality. Miluz ZeTa offers a range of advanced features such as air quality indicator, voltage surge protector, and patented switch socket, among others, enriching the homeowner experience with cutting-edge technology. We are proud to bring you Miluz ZeTa, the wiring devices experience, which is addressing the diverse needs of modern homeowners with innovation, safety, efficiency, and advanced functionality. Now, back to you, Denis.
Thank you, Snigdali, for that amazing insight of our Miluz ZeTa range. Here I would like to pause and thank personally all the team members. Thanks, Sumati, for being with us here for this launch. We are immensely grateful for your remarkable commitment and dedication. As we wrap up this episode, I want to remind you that this is just the beginning of what we've planned. We've got more such exciting updates for you to come. Until then, stay tuned, stay connected. See you soon.